Hey everyone, it's Mavis. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving into the vibrant and delicious world of vegetarian cooking with 7 quick and easy recipes that are perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Think fruits, veggies, legumes, grains, all those good things. You can still enjoy a variety of flavors and textures while prioritizing your health and well-being. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just starting to explore meat-free meals, these recipes are for you. Let's get cooking. First up, we're making a vibrant veggie stir-fry that's as delicious as it is colorful. Start by heating some sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. While the oil is heating, chop your veggies: broccoli florets, bell peppers, snap peas, and water chestnuts. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in your veggies and stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're tender crisp. Whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, grated ginger, and garlic for the sauce. Pour this over the veggies and stir-fry for another minute until the sauce thickens and coats everything beautifully. Serve this veggie stir-fry over some fluffy brown rice or your favorite noodles. This quinoa salad is packed with protein and fiber, making it the perfect satisfying and flavorful lunch. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water, then add it to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked through and fluffy. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare your colorful veggies: cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and fresh parsley. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and spread it out on a baking sheet to cool down a bit. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, chopped veggies, and crumble in some creamy feta cheese. Drizzle with a simple lemon herb dressing and toss to combine. Let's be real. Who doesn't love avocado toast? It's the perfect, quick, and easy breakfast, lunch, or snack. Start by toasting your favorite bread to your desired level of crispness. While the bread is toasting, have a ripe avocado and scoop out the flesh onto a plate. Mash the avocado with a fork, adding a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Spread this creamy avocado mixture generously onto your toasted bread and top with cherry tomatoes, red pepper flakes, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's the perfect way to start your day or fuel up for a busy afternoon. This chickpea curry is packed with flavor and protein, making it a hearty and satisfying vegetarian meal. Start by heating some coconut oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add chopped onion and cook until softened and translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, add minced garlic and grated ginger, and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Stir well to combine, then pour in 1 cup of coconut milk. Bring the curry to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened. Serve this creamy chickpea curry over fluffy basmati rice with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. These veggie wraps are perfect for a quick and healthy lunch or snack on the go. Start by laying out your favorite tortillas. We're using whole wheat for added fiber. Spread each tortilla with a generous layer of hummus. Load up on veggies: romaine lettuce, shredded carrots, sliced cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle some crumbled feta cheese over the veggies, then tightly roll up the tortillas. You can enjoy these veggie wraps as is or cut them in half for easier eating. They're perfect for packing in lunchboxes or taking on picnics. This lentil soup is the epitome of comfort food. It's hearty, flavorful, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Start by heating some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add chopped onion, carrots, and celery, and cook until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in dried lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, bay leaf, dried thyme, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Bring the soup to a boil, Then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Ladle this comforting lentil soup into bowls and top with a dollop of vegan sour cream or a sprinkle of fresh parsley. This smoothie bowl is like a burst of sunshine in a bowl. In a blender, combine frozen banana slices, frozen berries, a handful of spinach, a spoonful of almond butter, and your choice of milk. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding more milk if needed to reach your desired consistency. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and add toppings: sliced banana, granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. This smoothie bowl is not only delicious but also incredibly photogenic. And there you have it, 7 quick and easy vegetarian recipes that are perfect for a healthy lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey into the world of meat-free cooking. Remember, vegetarian meals can be just as delicious, satisfying, and easy to make as their non-vegetarian counterparts. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.